Pack a lunch. So that means I need to cook enough for the day to have for lunch tomorrow or not eat, which is not possible. So I'll go in here and maybe decide what we're going to eat today. What's your favorite meal? Somebody comment below and say what's your favorite meal, what you like to cook, or where I can find some recipes. Something new. I don't want to have to go to the grocery store every day, but it seems like that's what I'm doing anyway. You know, and you can't go in a grocery store and just buy one or two things. You go in there and you spend so much money on food. You spend so much money on food, and I mean, you got to buy it. So, that's that. But tell me, how do you plan your meals? Do you just wing it like I am, or do you go on social media or you go on YouTube and say, hey, what's an easy meal? How do you decide what you're gonna cook? So, let me know.
I made it for nothing, no turn into something from nothing. Made it through property on that minority, you know the story. Hop on the jet on my property and fly away. Fly, blah, blah, away. Call me a president, yeah. Straight out the trenches, yeah. My niggas can't whip me, yeah. The richest, the richest, the richest, yeah. Rich nigga house on seats, yeah. All of these hoes came with it, yeah. All them over get gave it, yeah. I try to fight concussion. I've gone and on vacation. I'm not trying to hurt no more. Count up the merchants, I promise some place. Give you some gain and slow motivation. Gain and schedule the place. Switch up the swag, switch up the man. Nigga, they jacking my swag on the dash. I do it bigger than niggas imagine. Heard that bitch making no rumors. She get more here than the tumor. And I got this I can prove it, yeah. I got a rich nigga getting on the plumber. She think it's something got to do with my mama while I can't love her like she need me. That's what you get when you think of a marriage. Now I wake up and I fuck on the bed. Got me saying it's so hard. These perkies keep me sane. All my dogs, found them locked up in the cage. We get paid, we so bad. Move the bricks, then move on. Switch the bags, then move on, I'm in prison. The niggas can't whip me, The richest, the richest, the richest, Rich nigga house on seats, All of these hoes can't with it, All them over get can't beat it, I try to fight temptation, I've gone and on vacation, I'm not trying to hurt no more, Car full of bullets, ain't found no shooter, that what you get when you niggas delusion. I remember when they thought I was average. Now I wake up and I fuck on a bad bitch. I tried to fight temptation.
So I decided to cook some steak fajitas. I went in the grocery store and got what I need to get out of there. And spent more money than I intended on spending. But hey, got to eat.
I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I do it all the time. wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I check in with you.
This one I beg you with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did jabata. Dada cover my face, calling me jabata. Biggie man, we don't be where I bada. Tell me, what's it come? You are come, all the best. They catch it, ride the foot, on your feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all the best. They catch it, ride the foot, I know feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they try to take me to another way. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one bite, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want the love. Tell me, what's it go? You are go, all the Bentley, they can say, ride the boat, on the feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You are go, all the Bentley, they can say, ride the boat. I know different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my boat, I'm paddling. Shout out Shonta, that's my bro, my family. Frozen drinks. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall not be head of state. But my people then go say I know one bite.